Is your Tesla Model 3's front camera not working, causing autopilot and full self-driving features to be disabled? Don't worry, this video will guide you through troubleshooting and potential fixes. While widespread camera malfunctions have been largely resolved through Tesla's software updates, occasional issues can still arise. We'll cover common causes and solutions to get your camera working again. The front camera is a critical component of the Tesla Model 3's Autopilot system, providing essential visual data for safe and reliable autonomous driving. Located at the front of the vehicle, this camera captures real-time footage of the road ahead, processing information at 120 frames per second with a wide 120-degree field of view. This high-speed, wide-angle vision enables the system to detect lane markings, identify pedestrians, and avoid obstacles, all processed through advanced AI algorithms for precise decision-making. For example, the camera's pedestrian recognition capabilities work alongside smart infrastructure to enhance safety at crosswalks, detecting movement and alerting both the vehicle and pedestrians. When the front camera encounters a problem, the system displays a vision unavailable message on the center console, immediately disabling autopilot features until the issue is resolved. While the vehicle maintains safety through redundancy with side and rear cameras, a faulty front camera specifically impacts autopilot functionality and requires prompt attention to restore full autonomous capabilities. The first and often most effective step is a simple reboot. Power cycle your Model 3 by holding down the brake pedal and both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously for about 10 seconds. The screen will go black and the system will restart. This clears temporary glitches in the camera's firmware that can cause it to malfunction. After the reboot, check if the camera is functioning correctly. Sometimes the front camera needs recalibration, especially after software updates or minor impacts. Use the Tesla mobile app or service mode on the car's touchscreen to start calibration. This usually involves driving at around 25 miles per hour on a straight road, following the on-screen prompts. The system will use visual cues to realign the camera's perspective. Completing this calibration can often resolve vision issues. Beyond software glitches, environmental factors can play a role. Extreme weather, like heavy snow or intense heat, can sometimes temporarily affect camera performance. Physical damage from road debris or even bird strikes can also cause issues. Check the camera lens for any visible obstructions or damage. If the issue consistently occurs in specific weather conditions, that could be a clue to the root cause. When basic troubleshooting like rebooting and recalibrating doesn't resolve the front camera issue, it's time to explore more advanced solutions. Check Tesla's official forums and support pages for documented issues and user-reported fixes that might apply to your specific situation. You can also schedule a service appointment directly through the Tesla mobile app for professional assistance. As of 2026, Tesla's service centers provide free diagnostics and camera replacements, especially for issues related to earlier recalls. According to Elon Musk, front camera issues have been largely solved through AI improvements in recent years, with human oversight remaining essential. Industry experts note that Tesla's vision system outperforms traditional ADAS in dynamic environments. Tesla's data shows only a small percentage of autopilot disengagements are now due to camera faults, with most incidents resolved remotely.